Hello and welcome to my Project 3 review. Problems that I encountered or things that were harder than I thought they would be. Getting the returns to match up in the way I would like them to so that I was able to then console log them or then interact with them. That was a little bit hard. Things I discovered or that were easier than I thought they would be. Um, Once I got the hang of the returns and stuff like that on the formatting issues and closing the jagged parentheses and stuff like that. That ended up being easier, but it was just getting it down at first was a little bit hard. Um, how the activity fits in or builds upon what you've learned in previous activities. Well, it just kind of took what we were learning about the story and turning it into JavaScript script, and then taking it to the next level, adding in some more things, making it a little more complex. How you think the lessons learned will help you in future activities and courses? I think with it being mobile development, where we're going to be developing for Android and Apple, we're kind of learning how to think like a programmer in this course, and then we'll be able to translate that over to the other classes rather than the actual Java language. We weren't given a flowchart in this activity, and instead we had to build our own. So how did that go? Well, I think next time I do the flowchart, it'll end up working out a little bit better. Um, Actual getting all the flowchart and everything together was fine. I might have my story flow a little differently next time when I end up doing this again. Was it easier or harder to work with fewer constraints? I actually like the where you kind of put where it fell in the flowchart better than being constrained to how the flowchart moved in the previous projects. And this was our last story project for a month. Did you get to tell an interesting story? Well, I got to tell a story that I will one day hopefully be able to turn into a game. Not specifically that, but stuff like that happening in a game. So I found it interesting. Well, thank you for your time and bye.